Hi there, students. To snigger and to snicker. Well, firstly, snigger is normally British and snicker is normally American. So if you snigger at someone, you laugh at someone or you laugh at something in a silly and very often an unkind way. A snigger is a stifled laugh. You hold it back. But it's scornful as well. So I knew they were sniggering at me behind my back. Yeah. I knew they were laughing at me. So if somebody sniggers, they laugh quietly and disrespectfully. And normally they're being rude, they're being unkind, but also to snigger, to restrain, to hold it back, to snigger or to snicker, as the Americans would say. So I hate it when people are sniggering behind my back. As a teacher in class, if a couple of the kids start sniggering, you know they're up to something. They're doing something that they shouldn't be. Yeah, he tried to suppress a snigger, so it's a sly, disrespectful laugh, particularly held back. Okay, so snigger, don't snigger at me like that. Yeah, it's a suppressed laugh. It's sly. Yeah, it's not very nice. Yeah, you're laughing at somebody, but not openly. Yeah, it's a disrespectful laugh. Normally that you don't see. It's half suppressed. Yeah, and disrespectful. So, yeah, they. While I was singing, they were sniggering at me. They thought that it was funny. They were laughing unkindly. Yeah. They were sniggering at me because my trousers didn't fit. So they were laughing in an unkind way. Yeah. Okay, and this is the idea of to snigger. It's to laugh with scorn, with in a nasty way. Yeah. I get so to snigger as a verb. Notice you can have a snigger or a snicker as a noun. So let's see. I know you are laughing, but your bad result in the exam is nothing to snigger about. Yeah, it's nothing to laugh about because you did very badly as well. Okay, when somebody makes a silly mistake, people often start sniggering. Yeah, laughing, but not openly. Yeah, a snigger can be a little laugh, just a small one that you're trying to hold back. Okay, he sniggered when I said that I was trying to do the same things as him. Yeah, he's obviously sniggering because he doesn't think there is any way that I'm going to be able to do it. Yeah, to snigger. It's this little sly, disrespectful laugh. I could hear sniggering at the back of the class, so I went to see what the kids were doing. Yeah. Okay, you may snigger at my attempts to learn Japanese, but at least I'm trying to improve myself. Yeah, so to snigger at, to laugh at something unkindly. Yeah, he sniggered at my attempt to make a curry because he said this is nothing to do with the real thing. Yeah, or maybe tourists sniggering at the old-fashioned ways that we do things in this country. Yeah, sniggering about how behind the times we are. So young people sniggering at me when I don't know how to use my mobile phone. Okay, to snigger, formality, to snicker. I think I'm going to give it a 4. Yeah, I think I'm going to give it a 4 informality, maybe 4.5. Use informally, using a semi-formal conversation, semi-formal writing, something very formal, I think perhaps not. And then the origin of this word is it is more problematic. Okay, maybe it comes. Let's see. Certainly, there's an older English word, snicker. Yeah. And maybe that So snigger comes from snicker, and maybe this snicker comes from Dutch snikken, to gasp or to sob. Yeah. So maybe it's that. So yeah, to snigger. He's laughing at somebody unkindly. Okay, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Snigger and Snicker.